वो महिलाएं जिन्होंने अपने साथ लुधियाना शहर का भी नाम रोशन किया है। सुनिए उनकी कहानी उन्हीं की जुबानी। विमेन आग पर, वेडनेसडे एंड सैटरडे 4 बजे, ओनली ऑन लुधियाना वेस्ट रेडियो। सुन के तो देखो।
Hello everybody, I'm Nandini, your host for today's talk show on Women's Arc, तू नारी है तू शक्ति है, on लुधियाना वेस्ट रेडियो। आज मैं आपके सामने इंट्रोड्यूस करने जा रही हूँ लुधियाना के सबसे फेमस मल्टी टैलेंटेड डांस एजुकेशनिस्ट, कोरियोग्राफर एंड द वन हू स्पेशलाइजेस इन इंडियन क्लासिकल डांस एंड कथक स्पेसिफिकली। मैं इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही हूँ आप सबके सामने डॉक्टर संगीता कुशवाहा। हेलो मैम, वेलकम टू द शो।
नमस्कार
मैम, आपने इतने डांस में फॉर्म्स में अपने आप को स्पेशलाइज किया है, इतनी लंबी जर्नी ऑलरेडी आपने तय कर लिया है। यू हैव 28 years of experience, that's a lot. So how did you start with your journey? That we all would love to know.
I started my journey, if we call it like it was I think that I was born to dance and dance was for me and I was for dancing. और शुरू से ही, बचपन से ही मुझे शौक रहा है और इस शौक को पहचाना मेरे फादर ने एंड ही सॉ दैट आई एम इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स डांसिंग। डांस मुझे पसंद है एज कम्पेयर टू प्लेइंग विद डॉल्स और गोइंग आउट एंड प्लेइंग आउटडोर गेम्स। आई वॉज मोर इन्वॉल्व इन टू लिसनिंग म्यूजिक और उन पे कुछ कुछ अपनी कोरियोग्राफीज करना, क्योंकि उस वक्त पे टीवी भी इतना पॉपुलर नहीं था। इट वाज नॉट मल्टी चैनल थिंग। सो दिस इज हाउ आई स्टार्टेड विद कि जहाँ मतलब मैंने पहचाना कि मुझे डांस ही करना है और आई गॉट सपोर्टेड बाय माय फादर। तो बीइंग इनटू ही वाज अ ब्यूरोक्रेट एंड अ डॉक्टर बाय प्रोफेशन. He retired as Joint Director Health Services Punjab. So we traveled. हम हर शहर में मतलब उनका ट्रांसफ़र होता रहता था पंजाब में. So काफ़ी डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में he worked as a civil surgeon. तो जिस भी शहर में जाते थे तो उनका ये कोशिश रहती थी कि वो कोई मेरे लिए कोई डांस टीचर ढूंढे जो मेरे इस टैलेंट को और निखारें. So इस कदर मेरी जर्नी शुरू हुई. That I got the support of both my parents, my father and my mother. And but अब जब मैं एक ट्रेन टीचर हूँ खुद और डांस एजुकेशन को प्रमोट करती हूँ, तो मुझे समझ में आता है कि चाहे वो इक्का दुक्का जो शहर में कोई गुरुजी होते थे वो लेके भी आते थे, बिकॉज डांस कथक वॉज नॉट पॉपुलर एट दैट टाइम. तो वो जो भी कोई लेके आते थे वो इतने मंझे हुए टीचर्स नहीं कह सकते, पर जितना भी उनके पास नॉलेज था वो मुझे देने की कोशिश करते थे और वो उतना मैंने सीखा. सो हाउ आई रियलाइज्ड वाज दैट दिस इज हाउ लाइक वी शिफ्टेड टू चंडीगढ़ इन 1978. So like there in my school I could see my dance teacher was qualified enough and like she had done her post graduation and there I got to know कि डांस में भी एक एजुकेशन होता है और मैं इसको अच्छे से पढ़ सकती हूँ और कथक एक सब्जेक्ट के रूप में भी होता है. तो then I studied कथक there. आफ्टर स्कूल हमारी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ की हॉबी क्लासेस लगती थी, तो जिसमें कि डांस, म्यूजिक, हॉर्स राइडिंग एंड नंबर ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ वर देयर. So after school I used to stay back and learn dancing. So there like I started my first diploma course which was affiliated to Prachin Kala Kendra. So Prachin Kala Kendra is an organization, like it's a university in itself which is promoting Indian classical dance, music and other performing arts at a huge level. Like it's been 75 years. तो वो मैंने एक डिप्लोमा कोर्स किया. सो दिस इज हाउ आई स्टार्टेड विद माय जर्नी एंड माय फर्स्ट फॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग इन डांसिंग.
वाओ, दैट्स ग्रेट टू हियर. मैं अपने सारे लिसनर्स को ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैम स्पेशली क्लासिकल डांस में ऑब्वियसली स्पेशलाइज करते हैं, कथक में करते हैं, बट उसके अलावा और भी डांस फॉर्म्स में शी इज really good. I'd like to know something about it.
So वो जब आप सीखते हैं तो आपको लगता है कि आपको और सीखना चाहिए. सो व्हेन while learning my classical and I was performing in various countries here and there, I was very fond of Indian folk dances and Indian classical dance. So when I was traveling out of the country, so I would see these Latin dances. मुझे बहुत खूबसूरत लगते थे कि the way they used to spin, the spinning part and the footwork and their intricacies of footwork. So down, like when I used to come back, I used to think कि मुझे ये भी सीखना चाहिए, या I wish if I could learn this. But I'm talking of this thing, the year like when it was mid 90s. I'm talking of. But I got the opportunity to learn this in India in 2003.
Okay.
So they like my first salsa guru, K.T. Namgyal, like who was president, like who was the director of the company Salsa India. Like he introduced salsa to the northern India, and there's another guy called Lud Vijay who had promoted salsa dancing or Latin dance forms in like the south, Bangalore. So then this is how, like I went to him to Delhi. Like I used to go every weekend and I used to learn there, and then I used to come back. So then I continuously learned my like salsa dancing with him, and then like so this is how I entered into salsa dancing, and I experimented in Punjab also.
So there's a lot of experiments and all sorts of stuffs involved to reach this particular level जब आपको काफ़ी सारे डांस फॉर्म्स आते हैं. लेकिन इस पूरे जर्नी में मैम ऐसा बहुत टाइम होता है that critics आते हैं बीच में which hamper your journey. मतलब जो आपके जर्नी में थोड़ा स्टॉप लगाते हैं, पॉज लगाते हैं. डेफिनेटली आपका पैशन है तो आप रुकेंगे नहीं, लेकिन आपके जर्नी में वो पॉज आता है बिकॉज यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ ऑन थिंग्स. सो वो क्रिटिक्स को कैसे आपने हैंडल किया है?
See, like my brought up was very strong. Like I would say like the foundation was very strong where the upbringing is consists. So वो मेरे parents ने बहुत strong foundation दी for this thing that you need to love yourself and respect yourself, and you don't have to be gender biased, and you are here as a soul. So ये soul की बातें हम आजकल करते हैं, ये सुनने में मुझे आजकल आई हैं, पर जब मैं छोटी थी तब कोई इस कदर बात नहीं करता था. So I was told by my father कि you don't have to be in the circle of like gender.
True.
You're not a man or a woman. You're a soul.
So your father has been really supportive.
He had been my inspiration.
Yeah.
So what I am today is I can give 80% credit goes to my father.
Very nice.
Yeah.
But ma'am, जैसे अगर your father is very supportive, your family is very supportive, there are some external factors.
Yeah, I was coming to that. So it was always there. So when I opted dance as a subject, because he was an eye surgeon and on such a good post, and my elder sibling, my sister, who is 10 years older to me, जो मेरे से 10 साल बड़े हैं, तो उनका वो एक गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट और मेरे फादर आई सर्जन, और मैं डांस और म्यूजिक में आउट ऑफ द लीग. एंड सो अगर हमारे घर में या कहीं बाहर जब भी हम कहीं जाते थे तो दे यूज्ड टू आस्क माय सिस्टर, अच्छा बड़ी बेटी क्या कर रही है. वेरी प्राउडली माय फादर यूज्ड टू डे, ये डॉक्टरी की पढ़ाई कर रही है और अभी इसने ये कर लिया. देन इट वुड कम टू मी, अच्छा ये छोटी क्या कर रही है, अच्छा ये डांस और म्यूजिक की पढ़ाई कर रही है. तो मेरे से पूछा जाता तो आई यूज्ड टू से कि आई एम लर्निंग डांस एंड म्यूजिक, एंड सम वुड से अच्छा वो तो चलो अलग बात होगी ना, पढ़ क्या रहे हो. तो सो इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू मेक पीपल अंडरस्टैंड कि डांस और म्यूजिक मेरे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं और पढ़ने वाले सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, और इट्स नाउ इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन यूनिवर्सिटीज़, और इनमें डिग्री होता है, ग्रेजुएशन होता है, पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन होता है, रिसर्च होता है, डॉक्टरेट होता है, तो मुझे सब बताना पड़ता था और मेरे को उनको समझाना पड़ता था। तो फिर भी लोगों ने ये कहना कि पंजाबी में ना एक किड़े कम्मा च पै गए, या मेरे फादर को बोलना उन्होंने कि एक किड़े कम पाता। एंड द वेरी सेम वे लाइक जो परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं, जो शोज हैं, दैट यूज्ड टू एंड अप लेट नाइट।
यस, टाइम ड्यूरेशन का
हाँ, लेट नाइट। और हमारे यहाँ तो ये प्रथा ही है कि दिया चिराग जले लड़कियां घर ही वापस आती हैं, तो वो गलत ही है। तो एक डांस और म्यूजिक, और तीसरा सोने पे सुहागा, रात को देर से आना, राइट। सो तो इस कदर मतलब कई बारी नेबर्स ने भी कह देना मेरे मम्मा को, सब बच्चे पढ़ते लिखते हैं, पढ़ाई करते हैं, कॉलेज आते हैं, आपकी बेटी की अलग ही पढ़ाई है, ये रात को इतनी देर से आती है। तो होता क्या था कि परफॉर्मेंसेस हैं या जो भी है, वो शोज ही 7 बजे 8 बजे शुरू होते थे, 6 o'clock 7 o'clock, and that would end up at 10 11, and then I would come back, and I used to come back with my family only, but or my teacher would drop me, but then people would raise eyebrow, कि कहाँ से आ रही है इतनी देर, क्योंकि उस समय पे ये रिवाज नहीं था कि लड़कियां इतनी देर रात घर से बाहर रहें। और so
times have changed right now अभी।
yes
and जो आपके critics होंगे, I think वो ही अब आपकी तारीफ करते हैं।
yes, वो तारीफ करते हैं, they are fond of me, very proud, with lot of pride, they say कि ये तो हमारी नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर है, या ये इस बच्चे को तो हमने शुरू से ही पहचान लिया था, ये तो कुछ बनेगी, तो वो जब आप कुछ कर दिखाते हो तो फिर लोगों का नजरिया भी बदल जाता है।
मैम, आपसे मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपकी जो आपने शुरू किया होगा, आई थिंक घर से स्टार्ट किया आपकी डांस एकेडमी, और यू स्टार्टेड इट लाइक डायरेक्टली यू ओपनड अ बिग वन, हाउ हैव यू स्टार्टेड दैट?
How I started it is like dance academy. Like when I told you कि मैं जब यहाँ लुधियाना आई तो I joined a school, and then my principal was very supportive. She got to know कि मुझे इतना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा काम करके, मतलब I'm not very happy from inside. She had this inclination कि मैं छोड़ के ही ना चली जाऊँ, और मैं छोड़ के चली भी गई थी। Like I left my job, and then like my son was born, then I had to leave the job, and I quitted in actual. It's a very good tradition with sisters, Bethany sisters. Like अगर आपके घर में खुशी आई है तो they would come and pray. So sister comes and she comes to my home to bless my newborn baby. And she tells me कि she holds my baby like this, and she asks me कि संगीता फिर इस बच्चे को कौन से स्कूल में डालोगे? I said of course sister, Sacred Heart Convent. So then she again looks at the baby, and then she asks me, do you think I'll give him admission? If you want an admission, come and join school.
Oh.
So and then I said, okay sister, but there's nobody to take care of, because mine was a nuclear family then. It was only me and my husband and my child. So then she said, okay, but I said there's nobody to take care of my child, so, and I breastfeed him, he's not on a feeder. So then she said, okay, we'll arrange your timetable accordingly. You can come a little late and you can go in between. And you won't believe it, I used to go to school around in the 3rd period, and then in the recess I used to come back to feed my child, and then again I go back, used to come back and again go.
So realized कि आपका वो passion कितना ज़्यादा है.
Yeah,
they acknowledged it.
She acknowledged it. Not every principal is like her, and she was quite bold enough to take this kind of decision. And then she said कि आपको सिखाना चाहिए, बाहर बहुत लोग सीखना चाहते हैं. Then she arranged my classes in Lovedale's Montessori. It was a play school, very renowned, अभी नहीं है. So she arranged my private classes after school, whereas schools generally prohibits.
Actually.
Right? तो उन्होंने मेरा arrange करवाया, and then I started teaching. Like this was my first dance classes, which I started with Lovedale's. तो this is how it was, and but वो मुझे बंद करनी पड़ी because I realized that my child needed more of my time. स्कूल में जितना करा रही हूँ, जब बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे then I'll start.
Okay.
So
then you shifted back to your home, and then
then I did not do my full-time academy. So then I started conducting workshops with not conducting, and actually I started organizing workshops with eminent artists of India and abroad, like say it in dance, music, calligraphy, painting, things like that.
Okay.
And I also got involved myself with Speak Make and started, and along with this I also started with my PhD program. So I started in 2004.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, so I started doing my PhD.
Wow, you have great experience then. मैम, जैसे कि आजकल बहुत मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी है, obviously not as much as before, लेकिन क्योंकि आजकल जो गर्ल्स हैं, लेडीज, वुमेन, दे आर ऑल एक्सेलिंग इन एवरी स्फीयर, लेकिन फिर भी सोसाइटी में आज भी कहीं ना कहीं मेल डोमिनेंट सोसाइटी माना जाता है. तो जो आजकल जो वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, who want to start up their business or they're working as an officer in an office, so आप उनको क्या advice दोगे?
So I would advise them. Then first they have to never feel that they're a man and a woman, as I said previously also. So when we start thinking I'm a woman or I'm a man, then we start differentiating also. So when we know that we are on our journey and we are equivalent, and then our self-confidence is at a different level. And you don't have to please anybody. You need to self-respect yourself, and people would be judgmental. They may judge you, so let them be. You just be yourself.
Self-worth is more.
Yes, self-worth, self-love, self-respect should be the prime for the woman. And when you have that in you, your aura will be such. You will take out those kind of vibrations that you will not feel the dominance of man, or as we call it. Though personally, I have never experienced much of male dominance, because it was never there in my family and my in-laws' family also. And but of course, then there are certain things which are gender biased. For example, like it's always the woman who has to take care of the house. So you need to, mold people, and you really have to make them understand that if a man and a woman, they both are working, they both have to share the responsibility.
And there has to be a balance between your professional and personal
life. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, how will you define failure? Like critics' failure in your journey?
Failures are road to success. If you will not fail, you will never taste how success is. Failures will keep popping up.
What was that one point when you felt that, oh, I've come a little low and I need to back up and get up with more, you have to rebound? ऐसा कौन सा कोई time आया था, some situation which helped you grow even more than what you had actually imagined?
Yes, failure, when I talk of, is like trusting too many people, like trusting blindly. So I felt when I started working that I trust people very easily. So it's not bad to trust people, but it's bad to have blind faith.
True.
So so this is one thing which I experienced, like that it in my journey, that you don't have to trust blindly. But this thing, since I'm a kind of a person who is very emotional also, and being practical has never been my motto. I had never been into that kind of materialistic approach. So because being practical ke chakkar mein, you lose a lot of things in life. This is what I feel. So I had been trusting people, and which you later get to know कि okay, ये आपके साथ कुछ खराब कर गए हैं या आपके बिजनेस के साथ कुछ खराब कर गए हैं. Like you have shared your business plans with someone, and then you see that person doing the same thing for him or herself. So this happened for me. It I failed at the initial level judging people.
Right.
Yeah.
So there is so much to learn. To all the listeners, मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि आपसे बहुत कुछ है सीखने को. And professionally, I would like to know something more. Your achievements. आपके ma'am has achieved so many awards, so many good titles. I'd like to know something more about it.
This is a difficult question because to be very honest, I don't look forward much for awards. It had never been. But my focus क्या है, मुझे इतने awards लेने हैं या क्या करना है. So but as how things kept coming, and I was awarded for my services in promoting Indian art and culture in state, and was awarded by Chief Minister for the meritorious services. Then number of awards, like there's a Asian Folk Theatre in Chandigarh who awarded me way back in 1993. Then I was one of the youngest choreographers in Punjab when I was just 22 when I was bestowed with to represent Punjab state at a national level. I took up a team to Andaman and Nicobar's for Apna Utsav, which was promoted by Rajiv Gandhi ji then. And then I was also got the opportunity to be a part of Phool Waro Ki Seher, where a state would represent a fan to the president.
Oh wow!
So I got this opportunity to, and latest number of awards by the local organizations, and then there's some company called Excellence Awards.
Okay.
So 2019 I got an Excellence Award for promoting dance and education in my region in Malaysia by Kareena Kapoor ji.
Oh wow!
Yeah, and then I'm also a member of International Dance Council UNESCO, and I attended a conference there. I was awarded with a silver medal by the president of International Dance Council UNESCO. My student also participated there in the conference. 5 of them from Ludhiana, and recently I was awarded at India International Dance Congress an award of Lifetime Achievement Award, and it was introduced by John Anthony, the director of India International Dance Congress, one of the biggest congress of the world, and where international artists come there to attend, many international artists of world fame, who are champions in their life 10 times, 20 times, that way. And I was awarded by Terence Lewis ji.
Oh, I am a personal fan of Terence Lewis.
Yeah.
We have been seeing him in Dance India Dance.
Yeah.
I'd like to tell all my listeners that he's a very familiar face to all of us. And ma'am has so many awards, so many titles being given to her. The list is not ending. मैं सुन रही हूँ that कितने सारे awards and कितने सारे titles, but it all comes with so much of hard work, sincerity and dedication. Very nice to hear, ma'am, from you.
Thank you.